shown to Council and for the dignity and discipline with which your Lordship has discharged the responsibilities of judicial office. As His Lordship enters the next chapter of life, we wish him and his family members good health, happiness, peace and fulfillment. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I request the Honorable Chief Justice Venithamilli Gopala Krishna Rao to give his Lordship's reply.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Srimati Lisa Gill, my esteemed brother and sister judges on the bench, the Malapati Srinivas, Learned Advocate General, Sri E. Sambasiva Pratap, Learned Additional Advocate General, Challa Dhananjaya, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Lakshmi Narayana, Learned Public Prosecutor, members of the Bar Council, senior advocates, Sri Prabhanath Vasireddy, President API Court Advocates Association, and office bearers of the association, government leaders, special government leaders, additional and assistant government leaders and standing councils, registrars of the High Court, director of the AP Judicial Academy, member secretary AP State Legal Service Authority, secretary AP High Court Legal Service Committee, staff of the High Court, registry and my family members. A very good evening to all. First of all, I am thankful to Honorable the Chief Justice who has spoken a kind words about me. I feel truly honored by the kind words of affection and appreciation that have been showered on me, and I am deeply touched on by the kind words that you have expressed today. I began my career as an advocate in Municipal Court at Avanigadda, Krishna district in the month of April 1989. Later I was selected as a district municip in the month of May 1994, and I spent nearly 3 decades in the trial court. My elevation as a judge of this court was proposed by a collegium headed by Honorable Sri Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, and the same was accepted by the collegium of Honorable Supreme Court headed by Honorable Sri Justice Dhananjaya Yashwant Chandrachud. I was sworn in as a judge of this prestigious High Court on 27th January 2023 by Honorable Chief Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra. During my tenure as a judge of this court, I had the privilege of being a member in division benches along with my esteemed brother judges, Justice A.V. Seshasai, Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao, Justice Chekati Manavendranath Rai, Justice Ravinath Tilhari, and Justice Bhattu Devanand. And I also had the privilege of being a member in division benches along with my esteemed brother, Judges Justice M. Gangarao, Justice D.V.S.S. Somayajulu, Justice Nainala Jayasurya, and Justice K. Suresh Reddy for a few days. During my tenure as a judge of this court, I consciously concentrated on the disposals. I never forget the cooperation given by the members of the bar for giving more disposals in civil matters and motor accident claims cases. Because of your cooperation only, I have disposed of good number of cases. I would like to convey my gratitude to the former Chief Justice of this court, presently the Judge of the Honorable Apex Court, Honorable Sri Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, and former Chief Justice Sri Dheeraj Singh Tagore, and the present Honorable Chief Justice Srimati Lisa Gill for their constant support and kindness extended to me. I am also thankful to my brother and sister judges for their unflinching support and cooperation. I have always maintained a good relationship with the bar, right from Municipal Court to the High Court, which constantly supported and assisted me. I will be failing in my duty if I do not extend my special thanks to my personal secretaries who are with me in the High Court, Srimati J. Sujata, Sri K. Naveen, Sri C. B. Satyanarayana, Sri M. Satish, Sri A. Kasim, P. V. Govind Rao, Srimati A. Rajarajeshwari, J. Satish Kumar, and Sai Raviteja. I place on record my appreciation to my court officer, Srimati B. Pamela Devi, my court masters, C. H. Vinay Datta, Srimati Anjani, Srimati M. Imaja, J. Lakshmi Sanjay Rani, Srimati M. Lakshmi Satyapriya, and B. Sai Mahesh, and my posting clerk, Sri N. Bharatbhushan. I am also thankful to my court attendants, R. Gopala Rao, K. Pullaya, and Ramesh for their service. I place on record a word of appreciation to the legal assistance rendered by the law clerk, Miss Charmika. I am also thankful to my residential attendants, Rupa Mahima, Meena Kumari, Bhavani, and K. Suresh. I am also thankful to my personal security officers, K. Anandrao and Sri M. Rambabu, and the drivers, Sri Srinivas Naik and Sri Rangaprasad, who made me and my family comfortable in every possible way. The total protocol section of the High Court needs a word of appreciation. A batch of 5 led by Sri Anil have been doing an excellent job right from day one in providing all that is required for every judge. I also convey my gratitude to all the registrars who have helped me in the discharge of my duties effectively on the administrative side. The work of Sri M. Surinath Reddy, Joint Registrar, J. Special Section, along with his team also requires a word of appreciation for the services rendered in getting bills cleared at the earliest. I also convey my special gratitude to Sri Sheikh Mahbub Basha, Sri A. Suresh Babu, and Sri G. Suresh of J. Special staff for rendering their valuable services to me and my family members. Learned members of the bar and friends, I spent nearly 29 years on the bench in the trial courts and 3 years, 7 months in the High Court. In total, I spent nearly 33 years on the bench and also practiced as an advocate for a period of 5 years in the trial court. In total, 37.5 years I have spent in the courtroom. A major part of my life was spent in the court hall. An important chapter of my life is coming to an end. In 29 years as a judge of trial courts and 3 years, 7 months as a judge of this court, I try to perform my duties to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I have endeavored to fulfill the oath which I took on 27th January 2023. I am demitting my office on 29th August 2026. Whether I failed or succeeded, it is for all of you to judge. I submit myself to your judgment. Whatever success in my life, whether as a judicial officer in the trial courts or a judge of this court should first go to my parents, then my wife Saujanya, son Raghunath, who is a judicial officer at Guntur, daughters Rupa Devi, Sobhasri, but for whose cooperation and patience I reached this position. I am demitting the office on 29th August 2026 with complete contentment. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. Namaste.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, I declare that proceedings are concluded.